공매 두글로살바 세르웨 툼데 무투네 슈야이. The old man rubbed his eyes for a second time. The old man rubbed his eyes for a second time. The old man la nganzo khare shugurasana gengok lamne digreba. Gengok. Old la gengok lamne digiyor. And if you want to show some respect to the old man, then we have a word tesong. Tesong. The gengo labne digre tesong labne digre yang mi lo chembo yang labgiyor pebel kela mi lo chembo yang labgiyor lo chembo sene big age inji gela digre labgiyor mare ina yang pekela digre labgiyor tine ta mi tesong te rubbed his eyes rubbed purpurtang ani the old man rubbed his eyes for the second time. The second time pekela khadis la koresana second time time la theng ligruba penna 3 times theng sum 4 times theng shi 5 times thenga 6 times theng tuk theng ligruba that the second time tiduga second time la thengi ba ani mitesong de thengi ba mik purpur tang bare karechine mik purpur tang bare sena thakdi khangla khaya thonggi yo mare thakdi khangla khayang thoggi yo mare ani mi yogi chen dingi gi kharela gi arsana gelsi michi gi tuglok de mathona mi de kukpa in be taksen res kyabra chesha yore tesonza da gelsi mathona nye thungi mindus labaina ani mi changme mi de kukpa resha sigirba tesonza da ani ko 30 gala tebe kabla 30 gala duglo yo mare 30 tongba tongyare to ko ha leda cheni tengi mik phubu tangbare he saw nothing 그 강양 마통바래 he saw nothing 그 강양 마통바래 nothing 라 강양 he saw nothing 그 강양 마통바래 nothing at all 개 구직 마통바래 he saw nothing at all 랍고 죽나 개 구직 마통바래 탈디 칸라 개 구직 마통바래 for the very good reason that there was nothing to see. 아니 마통약이 규체는 약보직 요래서 아니 다 가진데 따가수 땅바에서는 런보직 땅바르바 아니 런보디 개 구직 마통바에서 탁디 강라 개 구직 마통바에서 아니 마통약이 규체는 약보직 요래서 규체는 reason there was a good reason 규체는 약보직 요래 마통약이 규체는 약보직 요래서 대 가르레스나 탁디 강라 개구시요 말에서 매나 가양 통기 말어봐 well now he thought I have been carrying out my duties for the last 20 years with wisdom and skill. Well now, oh yeah, well now, oh yeah. I have been carrying out my duties for the last 20 years. For the last 20 years. Ani karisa injikela for the past 20 years lamna yang digi yoreba. Tesonzang perna for the past 20 years labko chungna. Depe lo nishu ringla. Depe sina in the past 10 years, for the last 20 years tunda chikpare. Ani, I have been carrying out my duties for the last 20 years. Depe lo nishu ringla. I have been carrying out my duties for the last 20 years with wisdom and skill. With the wisdom and skill, kartuk dinde tedun gyuna yang pyoge la tes tigi omar. Perna wisdom la kari shugoresa na share up. Skill la zel perna hand skill, lakzel, brain skill, rikzel, skill of one's body, luzel, zel ligyorta de la zel dang share up ki the pyoge dindas lama tes tigi omar. Ta dite tsigdu de la tes gyurwa tangorba. I have been carrying out yang labgi mare. I have been performing my duties. I have been shouldering my duties. Dindas labgorba. I have been carrying out my duties for the last 20 years with wisdom and skill. That de la pyoge la labkuchungna wisdom la labatuk sana steer one's brain sana to use one's brain. Labatuk ani karsa rikbatim karsa to stand on one's toe rikbatim. Tene debe lo nishu ringla ani rikbatim labatuk che legen kerbayin. Ta nganju pyoge la shouldered the responsibility lamna nganju pyoge la carried the responsibilities labgi yore. Tesonzang debe lo nishu ringla rikbatim labatuk che ani gelpe karsa legen kerbayinsa. But can it be that I am a fool after all? But can it be that I am a fool after all? Yine, can it be that I am a fool? Nga lenba yina. Can it be that I am a fool? Nga lenba yina. Nga lenba yina. Yine nga lenba yina. Karejine nga lenba yina sergi yorasena thakti kangla ani duglo thongi yo mare. Tine duglo ma thongna ani karsa tanda thak-thaki zuma nyi ki kari lagwi yorasena thakti kangla yobe duglo di ma thongna ani midi kukpa yangna lenba yinbe takse resene kepra che shayarba. Tesonza chikchena mi changbo chu tuklo de thungi yukire na ngone chena lenba ina sene samlo khobre khora he thought I have been carrying out my duties for the last 20 years with wisdom and skill. But can it be that I am a fool after all? No, no, I shall never dare to tell the emperor that I cannot see this wonderful material. No, no, I shall never dare to tell the emperor to dare to tell. Panna, I dare not say it. I dare not go. Dare not sena pögela laptangi yore. Panna, I dare not go out at night. I dare not go out at night. I dare not go out in the middle of the night. Tsena gungla, chilogla, do, nugi minduk. I dare not. Nugi minduk. I dare not. Nugi minduk. Chulola, do, nugi minduk. Yan laptang shandachik yore. I dare not go outside in the middle of the night. Ngatsana gungla, chilogla, do, pögi minduk. Pögi minduk. Nugi minduk. Dare not. Dare not. Verb, any verb. Na sabju nu sa nu or pö pa naro po da pö ani the present tense negative na nu ki minduk pö ki minduk kaya da ki ku ki minduk the dare not perna dare not phagela khala orsana ta dare not I dare not go outside. I dare not tell them. I dare not criticize someone. Dare not in any verb. Perna I dare not go outside. Do nu ki minduk or do pö ki minduk. Do nu ki minduk, do pö ki minduk. Do nu ki minduk, do pö ki minduk. Da inji kela I dare not. I shall never dare to tell that emperor. I shall never dare to tell the emperor that I cannot see this wonderful material. The kharasa inji kela I dare not yangna yang inji kela tinlagruba I to gather enough courage yangna to dare ta phugela kharasa na dare to any verb plus nugi minduk or phugi minduk verb nugi minduk verb phugi minduk no I shall never dare to tell the emperor langan je khojing ngon je gongma labe imba that I cannot see the wonderful material ta nge ta material la gyupcha lebgirwa gyupcha pana gyupcha is it cotton or wool the material gyupcha ani wonderful la yam symbol la porwa gyupcha yam symbol de gyupcha yam symbol de nye 통기 민족 gyupcha yam symbol di nye 통기 민족스 공마라 I shall never dare to tell 공마라 gyupcha yam symbol di 통기 민족스 자완의 럽 뉴사마레 자완의 럽 뉴사마레 자완의 럽 뉴사마레 that 자완ess and technically at all I will not dare to tell the emperor at all lebgyor ta injikella I shall never dare to tell the emperor 공말라 자완의 럽 뉴사마레 공말라 자완의 럽 뉴사마레 다 럽 뉴사 럽 뉴사마레 온다 labresa as he stood there one of the rocks asked ani koram thakdi junla lang debe kabla as he stood there's somewhere in front of the kharla bursena the waving machine thakdi ani as he stood there thakdi junla lang debe kabla ani kharsa one of the rocks asked ani 요규젠 코란 특디 줄라 랑 데베 갑라 요규젠 요규셰겐 찍기 코란라 케제티 버레사 컨디슈 버레사 to ask 컨디슈 케제티 is non-honorific 케제티 conditions na honorific mar it's humilific making someone humble so that he stood there as he stood there one of the rock asked korang thakdi junla lang debe kabla yogi shegen chigi ta korang la shesa mashibe na kechati bare if we use humilific for the rock we can't use honorific for rock so we can use humilific making him humble and in that case condition to ask someone humilific condition and if it was the king who asks then we have to use honorific the honorific for the word ask is kandinang kechati kandishu kandinang so three ways to say the same thing in Tibetan so when to say kechati is to someone very close to you or one of your family member you can use non-honorific it's good to use honorific for your family members, but normally we don't use honorific within the family. So when to use non-honorific? When you use it for yourself. You can use for yourself non-honorific or humilific. The humilific is condition. Perna, I asked the Rinpoche, Nye Rinpoche la kandi shubayin. Kandi shubayin. You can use kandi shu because this is a way to make yourself humble in presence of the Rinpoche. So in Tibetan, a verb can be in 3 or 4 forms. So he asked me. Now you show respect to the person who asked you. Tene kongi ngala kandi nang chung. So kandi nang is the honorific form. Kandi shu is the humilific form, making someone humble, and kechati is non-honorific. Well, what do you think of it? What do you think of it? Ani, what is it like? How do you like it? Ta dindela, what do you think of it? Kirang dila kare kongiduk. Labna digire. Gong, to think honorific. Dao ganaro ko nga sa gong honorific. To think. To think. Dao ga naro go nga sa gong. To think. Gong. Honorific. You cannot use it for yourself. This is honorific. To think. Gong. What do you think? Kare gongiduk. What do you think? Kare gongiduk. Ani non-honorific is kare samgiduk. What do you think? Kare samgiduk. What do you think? Kare samgiduk. And we can also say kandeduk in this situation. What do you say? Kandeduk. How is it? Kandeduk. Ani Quran tagdidunla lang depe kabla ani yogu shegen chik ge ani kandedus kiran kare kongidus kejatibar kandi nangbare ta karsa you can't say kandi nangbare, it's wrong. You can't respect him. You can make him humble. Kandi shibare. And the minister replied in a friendly, approving voice. Ani that to reply len gap to reply to answer to reply chikpar. Ani len gap la na len ragata gayata gyapa gap len gap, and make it honorific by replacing gap by Lenkyun, Lenkyun, to make it honorific. So the to reply, to answer, to reply, to answer. Lengyup, Lengyup, non-honorific, Lengyup. Honorific, Lenkyun. Rinpoche answered the question, Lenkyun. Honorific, Lenkyun. Then the minister replied, Lunbo. Ministers and Lunbo Rba, minister ge Lengyabare. In a friendly, approving voice, Kanyambo chene. Lunbo Kanyambo chene Lenkyumbare. Kanyambo chene. I shall tell the emperor that I am well satisfied with your progress. Ani Lunbo Yoguchen dingila Lenkyumbare. Karikyumbare sana. Ani Ale. It seems very handsome to me. That pegela, it seems very handsome. We don't say in Tibetan. Neither do Nepalese say something like this. So it seems very handsome to me. And then we can say it looks very good to me. Ani 닝제보 ngala 닝제보 sheda 통기두 ngala 닝제보 sheda 통기두 닝제보 attractive 닝제보 good to look at 닝제보 it seems very handsome to me ngala 닝제보 sheda 통기두 Indeed, the pattern is magnificent. That pattern laganjo khaji dilabeimba reche rimo labeimba rimo sena painting yangna drawing teine design on fabric la ani rimo lakurwa ani khari shugure as the minister it seems very handsome to me ta nganjo phegela handsome la taso debo lagurwa taso Tipe taso debo tongu dilabna ani zawani digi yomare. So it looks attractive to me. Ning jebo tongi duk. Indeed, the pattern is magnificent. Ani reche remote di pe zikbo magnificent la khazinganzo zikbo labe imba. The grandiose, magnificent, elegant dindrele na zikbo labgre pegela elegant ani reche remote pe zikbo dusa and the colors most delicate ani ta pegela yang delicate lagumare tene ta chondo colors na chondok ya pening jebudu tingye kharsa I shall tell the emperor 아니 nga tekorla ta nganjo emperor la khazinganjo gongma la beimba gongma ta nga tekorla gongma la I shall tell I will let the emperor know I shall tell I shall inform I shall report tinde ina humilific This Shasabjishu is a humilific form of to tell, to report, to inform, shu. I will tell, I will inform, I will report, I will let Rinpoche know, Rinpoche la shugin. I will tell Rinpoche, Rinpoche la shugin. I will inform Rinpoche, Rinpoche la shugin. I will report it to Rinpoche, Rinpoche la shu. Humilific form of the verb to tell. I shall tell the emperor that I am well satisfied with your progress. 아니 다이케란소 레가라 nga deba kengsong deba keng deba sina wish keng sina my wish is fulfilled. Deba keng sina satisfied. Nga keranso legala deba kengsongs nga kongmala shugin. Satisfy deba keng deba wish keng to be full. Wish fulfilled means to be satisfied. After the old minister had gone, the old la honorific is tesong, right? The old minister, after the old minister had gone, Lunbo tesong de pepe chela. Lunbo tesong de pepe chela. The rocks sent a message. 아니 가사 요규첸 딩이기 message 라 땅은주 perna message 라 땡상 tin labruba. 아니 a written message is tin and a verbal message is len. A message given verbally is len. 아니 after the old minister had gone, the rocks sent a message. 아니 요규첸 딩이기 아니 카사 gelbola lenjik tangbare. Lendi nangla kharila gyorasana that they required more gold to buy silk. 아니 콘저 카사 아니 다 카사 silk la kharishugure bure yang labgudwa resna a fabric busna insect created by insect bure yang labgudu ani kharasa peche tinde nangle yang thar yang du ta ani thuji ta thuji 아니 다 투지 녀야기 체도 다도 나라 난솔라 세르구기도 투지 녀야기 체도 세르구기두스 gelbola lentang bare and 아니 this was sent the next day. 아니 콘저 sergugi도 투지녀야기 체도 sergugi두스 sene len tangba nangshin 아니 콩솔라 ser the next day sangin ginyimo on the morrow injike ningbala on the morrow labuduga on the morrow the practically na next day la loi doma legudo te kanja nganjo de the next day la nganjo khalgusana singing gi modela on the morrow old english la on the morrow legudo ani singing gi modela ani controla kelpe khasa kongme sirtang baresa but all the monies went into their pockets ine serchangma khorancho amba nangla lukbaresa ta mone chena khonjo tuji da khaya nyugyo mar thakdi kangla khaya yo mar ani mishinda la gogor tanya gi chedu ani krancho changbo yona recha di thongi re kuppa yina ani recha di thongi mares chene gongma tang lunbo ani mimang chola gogor tang bare the following week the emperor sent another of his faithful ministers of state to inquire how the weaving was getting on. The following week, ani junta chema, the emperor sends to send someone to send a letter tang. Pao tang. The following week, junta chema, the emperor sent another and shows singular and other shendak chik and another and singular so the emperor sent another of his faithful minister tena junta chema gongme ani lunbo shendajik tangbar ta faithful ta nganju yang pegela obedient lamne digor ta faith I have faith in three jewels I have faith in three jewels ta nganju pegela faith labaina it's related to religion or spiritual teacher so we don't use the word faith among human beings or people or ordinary people so the following week the emperor sent another of his faithful ministers lunbo khalanyenpo obedient lunbo khalanyenpo shendachik tangbare lunbo khalanyenpo obedient lunbo khalanyenpo shendachik tangbare of the state to inquire che to inquire to inquire about inquire how the weaving was getting on ta tena dunta jema gongme lunbo khalanyenbo shendak chik tangbare 가르치가 땅발에서나 아니 다 두글로데 가서 탁차리메 how much they have finished weaving or not 가서 탁차리메 제주체가 땅발에 수땅발에서나 룬보 칼랑년보 셴다직 땅발에 가르치가 땅발에 서나 아니 두글로 가수 탁차려매 how much they have finished waving or not 탁차려매 따가 땅바리 sent them to see 두글로 가수 탁차려매 제주제가 땅바리 제주제가 땅바리 제주제가 땅바리 So if I teach you Tibetan this way, how helpful is it? Please let me know how I can improve on it. Please give feedback so that I can improve on it. And if it is helpful, and I will continue doing this once in a while, whatever, I will have to finish the story I have started. So maybe it is 2 or 3 more days. So please let me know if it is let me know if it is helpful. If it is, I will continue doing so. And if I can improve on it, please let me know. I will make it better. So this much for today. Thank you for coming to the class. Have a good day. Bye.